In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallet inside of Jumptask. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a Jumptask on your mobile device. Then from here, sign into your account. Now, once we've signed in, we want to go ahead and click onto Earnings. Then from here, scroll down again. And then look for My Wallet and go ahead and tap into that. Then from here, under My Crypto Wallet, we can go ahead and click on the Add button. So this is going to add a wallet via desktop or mobile browser for payout. So go ahead and click on Add. Then again, go ahead and log in with your account. So that can be Apple, Facebook, Google, or you can sign up. So I'm just going to sign in using my account. Then basically from here, you want to go ahead and click on to Connect Wallet. A crypto wallet is needed to withdraw your earnings and stake. Don't have a wallet, we can go ahead and learn more. So go ahead and click on Connect with Wallet. Then choose your connected wallet. We can go ahead and click on all wallets, or we can choose from MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance, Coinbase, etc. So yeah, choose which one that you'd like to connect. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on my Binance wallet. It's going to open up my Binance. I might need to update it. And then yeah, I can just go ahead and sign in using my Binance wallet. I'm just going to click out of this again. Alright, so if you have any issues, just come back to here and go ahead and click on Try Again. And now I need to go ahead and log back in. Alright, then from here I can go ahead and create a keyless wallet or import wallet. So I'm going to go keyless. And now I'm going to have to verify. Now it's going to create a wallet for me inside of Binance. This is all going to be slightly different depending what type of wallet you're using, by the way. So I'm just doing this for Binance. So for you MetaMask, it's going to be the same but similar. All right, I'm going to have to put my thumbprint in again. Now it's going to verify and do all that fun stuff. Yeah, so basically just keep going next, and it's going to go ahead and create your wallet if you don't have one and connect your wallet. All right, as you can see, wallet pair is connecting.